urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Portage County in northeastern Ohio, western Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, eastern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Stark County in northeastern Ohio, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, eastern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorm was located near Brunswick to Worcester, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Akron, Kenton, Medina, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Brunswick, Massillon, Kent, Barberton, Greene, Alliance, Hudson, Wadsworth, Talmadge, North Canton, Streetsboro, Macedonia, Louisville, Orville, and Richmond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, and Wayne. The urgent weather message.